Real quick video on removing the TCU from your vehicle. Some people might need to remove it for programming. Some people might think it's a big project or it seems a little daunting to them, so I'll just explain it real quick. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the negative from your battery. You want to do this to help clear the car's memory for the new TCU and also keep you from accidentally shorting something out. Not that it's a huge common thing, it'd be quite difficult to do really, but it's good practice when you're messing with electronics. This connector here needs to come off. What you need to do is push this bar backwards and then take something like a flathead and push this center clip down. You can do it with your fingers, just make sure that you don't hurt your fingers. But you push this down like that and then pull that forward. So take your tool, push this back, push down, and pull forward. Then pull this lever forward, and this connector comes off. If you have this car parked outside, you might want to put something over this so that it's protected and doesn't get any water or anything in it. You wouldn't want that. You want to keep these pins nice and clean. And then there are 4 nuts, as you can tell. I already removed them. They're 10 millimeters. You're going to need a shallow ratchet, so like a shallow socket and a ratchet or a wrench. Once you turn them about 2-3 times, you can take them off by hand. So there are 4 nuts. There's one here. There's one there. And then there's 2 on the exact same spot on the other side. You see the 2 black studs there. So they are 10 mil. Let's go ahead and run those off. Make sure you're taking your time once you get to this very end. You can see it's got that little starter piece. When you get to that very end, make sure you put 2 fingers on it and just go nice small turns so you don't lose the nut. And then this just slides right out like so. It's very small, it's very light. When you ship this out, make sure you do a minimum of 2 inches of packing all the way around it. Bubble wrap should be suffice because this is a very light item. It's not likely to punch through, but you're definitely going to want at least 2 inches, about 3 fingers width, 2.5, 3 fingers width, all the way around it to make sure that you have more than ample padding for these, because they're not cheap and you're not going to get one real quick. So make sure you pad it correctly. Then when you put this back in, it goes in there, run the nuts down tight, and then give them a little turn, probably quarter, half turn. You don't want it to go over tightened with these. It doesn't take a whole lot. This thing doesn't weigh nothing. Put your connector back in, clamp it back together, and then connect your negative and enjoy.